All right, welcome back, everybody. This is Moccasin Driver. Here today, we're with Brent. He has the Vintage Honda page on Instagram. So this is the CRX. What year is this car actually?
1988.
1988. Okay, same year I was born. That's awesome. Could you tell me a little bit about the car?
Yeah, so I've owned this car for about 6-7 years now. Picked it up actually from California because it's so hard here in the Midwest to get anything that doesn't have, rust, corrosion, that's a million miles on it kind of thing. And so this car originally, when I bought it, had 61,000 original miles on it, all original paint. It was owned by an older couple from New. So
Okay.
They took really nice care of it, actually. This is the first year of the second generation CRX, which came out in 1988.
All right.
Ran through 1991. First year had a few changes in comparison to the 89, 90, and 91. Some rain.
Yeah.
So first and foremost, it was a little bit lighter than the 89 through 91 cars, and the seat belts actually were not attached to the doors in this
Oh,
model,
okay.
which was kind of nice.
Yeah.
In the later cars, you'll see the belts are attached to the doors. They get caught here on the door trim, and it really wreaks some havoc on them over the years. These cars were a little bit lighter than those subsequent cars, and power was down, I think, to 105 horsepower compared to 108 in the later cars.
Okay.
So just a few little changes there. There we go.
Awesome. Which motor is this one?
This is a 1.6 liter. This was
Okay.
the B series that went pretty much through all that 4th gen
Yeah.
Civic line.
Awesome. Nice and clean.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just love to see these throwbacks, in
Yeah.
this condition.
Yeah, whenever most of these cars that you find have, a series of modifications, lowering springs and Bondo, etc. So it's nice to find some that are unmodified, that are original paint.
Absolutely.
Tough to find nowadays.
Oh yeah. Do a little walk around. Got that classic CRX back end. Awesome. rattling in the back. It's an old vehicle. But look at it. It's like we're in a time capsule right now. Car is easy to heel toe. Keep in mind, this is my first time driving this. I'm having a blast. I literally have a smile on my face right now. Can't get much better than this. Driving an old CRX Si. How could you not be happy? Careful, doggy. What you doing? Dog must like Hondas. It's like, damn, there's a Type R and a CRX Si. Some decent roads. Looks like Brent wants to switch. Do it. I guess we're gonna drive the Acura Type R.